Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 21 of the contract costing. This is the from the CMA Inter Cost Accounting. Okay, please read the questions here. Look at it. This is illustration number 21. The following particulars are obtained from the books of the Binay Construction Limited. These plant and equipment cost is this, and vehicle and cost is 2 lakhs. Total cost is 6,90,000. Okay, detail of the contract with the remains uncompleted. These V29, V24, V25, these are the name of the contract. Estimated final sales price is given. Estimated cost are also given here. Wages, material and overhead excluding depreciation, these costs are given. The total of these three excluded 4.84, 4.56, 2.22. Okay, value certified by the architect, this is a work certified. Progress payments received, this is the cash receipt. Depreciation of the plant and equipment and vehicles should be 20%. Total depreciation is 20%, and these plant and vehicles are used for the three different contracts, and for three contracts in the proportion of work satisfied. What this is saying, depreciation you have to calculate, that is 4.9 plus 2, this is the 20% depreciation. 20%, this will be 1.38. This is the information in lakhs. These 1.38s are distributed. This is combined depreciation for contract B29. This is a combined depreciation for contract B24. This is a combined depreciation for B25. These depreciation are a portion allocated among V29, V24, V25 in the proportion of work satisfied. This information is given here. What is saying? Please read. Depreciation of the plant and equipment and vehicles should be charged 20%. This total depreciation is 20%, and the three contracts in the proportion of work satisfied. This distribution is distributed among V29, V24, V25 in the proportion of the work satisfied. That information is given. Okay, look at profit loss to be taken. The profit and loss account are ended this March. Work in progress would appear in the balance sheet. This. Okay, now. So first we have to calculate depreciation. Working note first. Calculation of depreciation. Plant and equipment value. Plant and equipment. 4.9 lakh. Vehicle 2 lakhs. Total bill is 6.9 lakh. Combined depreciation 6.9 lakh into 20%, 1.38. The depreciation is a portion in V29, V24 and V25 in the ratio of work satisfied. The work satisfied ratio is given here. 7.2 lakh plus 4.20 lakh plus 2.4 lakh. Look at it. 7.2 lakh, 4.2, 2.4. Total sum is 13.8. So depreciation for V29, V24, V25. Look at it. 1.38 divided by 13.8 into, that is 7.2, that is 0.1 into 7.2, 0.72. Similarly, this is 0.1 into 4.2, 0.42, 0.1 into 2.4, 0. This 0.2. This is a depreciation. Okay. Now we can make a contract account. Contract account. Contract account. Debit side. This is a credit side. Particular V29, V24, V25. Particular V29, V24, V25 to expenditure other than depreciation, expenses other than depreciation. Please look at it. Wages is this, material is this, overhead is this. These are the expenditure other than the depreciation. 4.84, 4.56, 2.22. 4.84, 4.56, 2.22, 2.22. Depreciation we have already calculated, 0.72, 0.42, 0.24. Total cost you have 5.56, 5.56, 4.98, 2.46, 2.46. By cost of contract to date carry down, 5.56, 4.98. These all data are in lakhs. 4.98, 2.46, 5.56, 4.98, 2.46. Now, to cost of contract to date brought down. What is 5.56, 4.98, 2.46? Okay. Now, by work in progress, work satisfied, work satisfied is given here 7.20, 4.20, 2.40. In this case, to notional profit here 7.20, this is 5.56. First 7.20, 5.5, this is 1.64, 1.64. But in this case cost is 4.98, and this is the 4.20 is a loss. 4.20, it means in the second B24 there is a loss. By profit and loss account, what will the amount? That is 0.78 in this case. And in this third B24 cost is 2.46, cost is 2.46, and work satisfied is 2.40. It means there is a loss 0.06. Okay, in this case what will happen? Total will be 5.7.20, 4.98, 2.46. Okay, in this case 7.20, 4.98, 2.46. By notional profit 1.64 to profit and loss account to reserve. Look at it. Now profit transfer to profit and loss account. What will be the profit transfer to profit and loss account in this case? Profit transfer to profit and loss account. Look at it. In this case, there is only one case. Profit will transfer to profit and loss account, which is in contract B29. The profit transfer to profit and loss account, this is the estimated profit. Estimated profit into cash received divided by contract price. What is your estimated profit? 1.64 is the profit. Into cash received. Cash received is, what is the cash received in the question? This. Payment received. This is the 5. A contract price. What is the estimated sale price? That is the 8. That is 8. This is a contract price. 5 divided by 8, that is 1.025, that equal to 1. This is 1, 0.64, 1.64, this is 1.64. Okay, this question is completed. This is also good questions. Please do these questions. In this question, the critical point is only depreciation. On depreciation, you have to concentrate. Okay, thank you class. Please like, subscribe and share my videos.